Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! In today's lesson, we'll study punctuation marks. Punctuation is used to create sense, clarity, and stress in sentences. You use punctuation marks to structure and organize your writing. Here are the commonly used punctuation marks. Period or full stop. Question mark. And exclamation mark. Let's discuss when to use them. Let's start with period or full stop. We use period or full stop at the end of telling sentences. For example, let's go to school. Here are some more examples of telling sentences where we can use periods or full stops. We will write a story. Diana rode her bike. The cat sat on the mat. Second is question mark. It shows that a question is being asked. For example, what's your name? Here are some more examples of sentences where we use question mark. How are you? What time is it? Did the cat sat on the mat? Lastly, exclamation mark. It shows strong emotion and is used to denote shock, surprise, anger, or a raised voice. For example, I won the race. Here are some more examples of sentences where we can use exclamation marks. Ouch! The ant bit me. You did a great job. Take that cat off the mat. Remember that period or full stop is used at the end of a telling sentence. Question mark shows that a question is being asked. Exclamation mark denotes a strong emotion or feeling. Now that you know when to use period, question mark, and exclamation mark, let's try to put the punctuation mark after each sentence. Let's do this! Yum! The food tastes great! Where is the cat? I miss my mom so much. Wow! What a huge dog! My friend lives next door. It's your turn. Please get a piece of paper and write the correct punctuation mark. You may pause the video if you need more time. Use the correct punctuation mark in the sentence below. Wow! Look at that rainbow! Do you want to go to the beach? I like rainy days. Hurry! It's raining! Abigail went outside to play. Good job! I hope that you learned something today. See you in our next episode.